Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Happy New Year, and I hope you had a lovely Christmas and that the New Year saw you in safe and sound. I'm coming on to share with you the setup for my sinking funds. I've just changed a few things around. All the envelopes are empty at the moment. I am going to keep 6 as I usually do, but I have to change some around. Now labour stays, spending can definitely go. That's not a priority right now. If I'm able to bring it back, then I will. Hair going out, hobbies, TV bracket all done, dusted, bought and been installed. So I'm happy with that. And I'm bringing back Wellbeing because I emptied that out as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can actually bring back spending. I don't have anything that is really needed at the moment to buy, so let me just change them around and see. I'm not going to overspend on anything. I'm still decluttering, and I will share some of it with you because I just think I'm lacking some stuff on my channel. I used to share, but I stopped because just life just gets in the way, doesn't it? And it's just crazy. The time you really want for yourself, you just can't get it sometimes. So that's that. I'll start with Wellbeing. I would like to know that I've got this envelope to help me out. You know, a few bookshelves here and there or something. So there. We have Wellbeing, spending, hair going out, labour and hobbies. I am going to leave it here for the minute. And I'll tell you that I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 pounds to stuff, and that came from my rollover from the last time I stuffed my envelopes for savings challenges. That's where it's come from, and I'm really happy that I've got it to make a great start on these envelopes. Now I need some change. Let's see if I've got some change. Great stuff, great stuff. And I have decided to use the white dice today. Right, let's go for it. Let's do this. Four, that's going out. Okay. 4 again. Right. Going out. 4 again. Do you know, this is good for me because I need to get out more often. I can't believe it. 4. This is telling me something, at least. It really is. 3, that's hair. Hair again. 3. Is it going in the right envelopes? I'm wondering. 2, that's spending. So it's going down. 4, 3, 2. 6, hobbies. Right. And then it went right up. 2, that's spending. 5, labor. That's a good one. Good. Good. 1. 1 is well-being. That's lovely. I'm glad for that. Got to stock back up on my bits and bobs. 6, that's hobbies. 1, well-being again. Okay, it's good, not bad. Another 1, well-being. Well-being. 4, that's going out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, it's been interesting. 6, hobbies. And 1 more to go. 5, that's labor. Okay, that was a good little run. It really was. Now I just wanted to say, if I really need something out of any of these envelopes, it's not really set in stone. You know, I will juggle and change things around as I go along. I won't sort of put myself under pressure knowing that I need to do something and I'm just letting the money sit and do nothing. I will use it no matter what envelope. So that's the reason why I'm glad that I do my sinking funds, because I can juggle it and it really works out well for me. Anyway, that was it today. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I really hope the new year has started on a very good note for you. Bye for now.